Welcome to the video. We are working on numbers 51, 3 by 17. The reverse of 51, 3 times 17, or the reverse is 3 times 5. Number 54, 3 times 18, or 3 times 9. Number 57, 3 times 19, or 3 times 1. Each one will tell us a different story. 78, 1 times 7, 1 plus 7, 78. 78 will create 7 times 8, 56. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 6. 7 plus 8, 15, plus 56, we go back to 71. If we minus 56, it equals to 41. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 will now create 5 and 4. 18, how do we create 18? 9 by 2 or 6 by 3? 6 and 3. 3 by 17, 3 times 18, 3 by 19. In French, 17, 18, 19 is set as 10, 7, 10, 8, and 10, 9. The rotation of these numbers are 5 and 5 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 12 and 51 makes 63. 63, 6 and 5 equals to 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 and 3 is 4. Keep adding 51 and count it to a single digit. We end up with 75. Add 51, we end up with 36. Add 51, we end up with 87. That 87 will recreate your, let's not get into that one. Then it becomes 48. Then we add 48 and 51 again, we get 99. 54 becomes 18, add 54 becomes 63, add 54 becomes 27, add 54 becomes 72, add 54 becomes 36. We have 36 in both houses, we have 63 in both houses. What happens in between in this house, and what happens in between in this house? In this house we end up with the 5G moon, Union Jack. In this house over here we end up with Venus. 5 and 3, 8, 6 and 4, 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, or Ra, Venus, Ra. Plus 54, we end up with the fox, and then back to Jupiter. And in 57 and 57 equals to 10, 1, 7 and 7 is 14, equals to 5. Added up becomes 6 and 3, and we have the same in all three houses. And then we continue on to over here, we have 57, okay, is the adding on number, so this number is the value to the moon. Here we have 78, here we have 87, here we have 36, 36, here we have 48. So 57 and 51 seem to reflect each other basically, and so do these two in different ways. That is your 17, 18, 19. And when I did it here, I did it to the single digit. So 3 by 17 is 51, 3 by 5 is 15. So when we go to 5, I will end up with a different equation, the equation that I previously did in my pyramid. 5, then 1, then 6, then 2, the sequence of adding 5 and then to a single digit. The 9 will always become 9 again. 3 by 9, 27. 2 and 7 is 9. So we would go 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. The last one is 54. Okay, and don't forget, we can use the numbers both ways. But 54 becomes 18, that's right. This becomes 19, so it becomes 1. So this one will climb. 1 and 9 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it'll keep on climbing by 1. So this is how this works over here. The second part of this video, in which I should just leave it out, is the roulette wheel, where the dividing numbers, or the cube. The cube is created starting on number right over here, but the complete set of the cube creating the hexagon starts between 14 and 23. So 13, the reflection is 24, 4 and 6. 14, the reflection is 23, 5 and 5. 15, the reflection is 22, 6 and 4. So 6, 4 here, 4, 6 here. So it's been inverted. Here the 9 becomes 3, the 8 becomes 2, 9 and 3, 8 and 2, cycle of the moon. and 7 and 1. So what was 7 is now 1. So 17 Mars, what was 7 is now the spirit, the half-life. So this is basically what it is. Now what comes out of here is when I add the 9 and the 3 together, I end up with 3. When I add the 8 and 2, I end up with 1. When I add the 7 and 1, I end up with 8. 318 is the center connection. The heavens of the altar current, 48 equals the sun of Pluto. When I minus it, I end up with 666. Raphael, mathematics. This is exactly what it is. Unless there's an error, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I will be working on that Pegasus to 1995. Tell me again.